gonna ask you to join me in a small game. Alright? So, gentlemen, please join me to my right. Ladies, stay on my left. Gentlemen, please. Alright. Let's get to know person a little. So, we have with me.
Sit down, baby. Ayun, baby. Sit down.
So, ano naman? Ma'am, we have with me.
Ay, naman na, baby. Sit down. Come here.
Alright.
Sit down, sit down.
So, what am I going to ask you? Ma'am, can you have my first prop for you?
Ay.
And ayun, sir, please join me po. Ayan. Gentlemen, I need you to get one shot. Please get one flash. That's all that.
Huh?
Yes, and it's puno. Alright, here's the challenge, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, I need you to get that straight.
Right ako.
Turn 3 times, and then, we're gonna give you legal and then. The challenge is, papasok yung minutes na tayo. First person to do it wins. Last person to do it, competition. Very simple. Alright? So again, bring the ball down straight up, and then turn 3 times, after you turn, into the thread to the ball. Very simple. Alright, so gentlemen, please kaya ang bilang. Para everyone will see you. Gentlemen, please kaya ang bilang. That's vodka, so if you're not a victor, I'm sorry, you will still part for me. It will be your... Okay, so, gentlemen, can I have a toast for everyone who's putting glasses together? Gentlemen, cheers! So cheers to that. There we go. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, go! I'm not going to give you a punishment. I'm going to give you the privilege to choose one of the guys that is illegal as your proxy. That's your prize. Alright, so who will it be? Chester! Hey Chester, is somebody on stage? Well, what are you on? So these are your stage. And here we go. Thank you, sir. So, Chester, please sit down in a wonderful chair right here in the middle. Sit down, sir. Hands behind your back. And I need to blindfold you.
Ito.